Welcome back, Daniela here, and I'll be working with the April kit and the embellishment kit and the cardstock kit. And I've chosen one of the beautiful cut files, the mandala one, and I want to show you how to create a layout that seems to be very time consuming, but which is very quick and easy. I cut the flowers from one of those pretty pattern papers. We have a nice flower cluster if we just arrange them under the pictures. And this is the first thing that seems to be a lot of work to do, but because it is just one piece or two pieces actually, this is very easy to do, and you see that it adds a lot of details and is a nice background for your pictures. Okay, well, I'm sorry about the sun peeking in. It has been cloudy all day, and now that I was filming, the sun, yeah, came through, but yeah, I didn't see that coming. So yeah, you see that I just cut the cut file here from white cardstock, and I want to place the cut file piece behind the pictures, and I want to back it with paper, and I'm going for this pink pattern paper, which I like a lot. It is a nice addition to the blue cardstock, and I will keep the frame because I can use it for another layout later when I'm working with white cardstock, so you can get a lot out of it if you just set it aside. Okay, you see that I just backed the cut file piece with the pattern paper, and because you can just see the edges after placing the pictures and the flower pieces here on top of it, I just backed it with one paper, and that also is a quick and easy way to do. Then I've decided to go for another background, so I have decided to work with this paper from the Cardstock Kit, and all in all, you see that the page already seems to be kind of interesting and full, and I haven't done so much yet because I've just cut out the flower pieces, and I've just backed the cut file with pattern paper, and now I add some embellishments, which also is a quick and easy thing to do if you're working with the embellishments that come in the kit. And the embellishment kit, you just have to grab the suitable ones and place them on the cluster, and yeah, this is all in all a layout that came together in about half an hour, and in the end it seems to be a very time consuming one because we have so many elements here, or so many flowers, and also the cut file piece makes a difference, a big difference, because yeah, it also adds a lot of dimension. And now the title and the wood veneers add more details. I'm also going for some flowers from the die cut pack, and this way we have a lot of details, a lot of elements, but as you can see, it's everything is very simple and easy to do. So I think that the flowers from the die cut pack go perfectly with the fuzzy cut flowers, and I want to use all the white ones here because I have blue cardstock, and then I just add some more smaller pieces like hard puffy stickers, and yeah, this way I have a lot of different embellishments again, and there are also some placed on top of the cut file, and here I place one of those puffies on the die cut piece, and this way we have a big cluster in the center and everything is linked somehow, which always is a good idea if you want to build clusters and yeah, don't want to have any loose elements. All right, so just flipping through my stuff, I always tend to place everything that I have on my desk so that I just have to flip through it, and after finishing my page or after finishing one kit before the new one arrives, I pack up everything in a box. And if you just work with the kits, it is a very easy way to create beautiful pages because everything matches perfectly and you don't have to search for the perfect papers and combinations for a long time because everything just comes in the kit. And yeah, the cut files are a nice addition to the kits because they match the elements and the patterns each month. And if you're a subscriber, you can just grab the cut files for free in the store, and that is a big benefit, I guess, because the cut files are always so cool and versatile, and you can do so much with them. And you see that it doesn't have to be too complicated to use them if you just back it with paper like I did on this page. I have a lot of other pages where I use different pattern papers to back the cut file, but here I think yeah, it is a nice way to just work with one pattern paper, and you see that the combination of pink and blue is quite nice. Alright, so you see that I have added various butterflies and also the journaling, and then I can just flip through everything again and see if I want to add some more. And I definitely want to use this wood veneer so that I have two wood veneer pieces on the page and not just the one I used with the title. And yeah, I think it's always a nice or a good thing to do to have at least two elements of the same texture, like here with the wood veneers. Okay, I'm just adding the date, and then I have my finished page, and you see that this didn't take too long, and maybe you want to try it yourself. I would be happy if you did so, and don't forget to show us your results. Here is a picture of my full layout, what it turned out in the end, and here are some more details. Yeah, I hope you have fun using your kits, and check out all the cut files if you haven't done so yet. And yeah, see you soon. Take care and bye bye. Thanks so much for watching again.